Chapman with the puck. Knocked out of the air by Stahl with a high stick. Tampa Bay Lightning with 6 goals tonight, 14 of the series. Most goals through the first 3
Boston lost theirs. Colorado won theirs. Detroit won theirs. Detroit and Colorado just swept. Looks like Tampa Bay might do the same thing.
Sergachev with the puck, moves it up the boards and down. Tampa Bay has iced it, 2:22 remaining.
Tough enough to play against the Tampa Bay Lightning. But when you're chasing the game and you're giving up 2 goals in the first couple of minutes of each of the first 2 periods, you mentioned Kenny a little bit earlier. It just Montreal is not a team that can just score at will. I mean, they've been offensively challenged for a while.
Yeah, keep in mind, Canadians are hardly ever been swept. They've only been swept, what, probably a handful of times? The last incident they were swept was 1998 in the Eastern Conference semis by the Buffalo Sabres. They were swept in 92 in the Adams final by the Bruins.
As I said earlier, it just seems like when you look across, there's 6 or 7 white sweaters on the ice when there's really only 5, and they're just one step ahead of you.
Montreal to beat Tampa, they have to play almost perfect hockey. They made too many mistakes in the first period, and they were chasing the game right from the start. And they can't make any mistakes.
And they need their goalie to be on the same par of Vasilevsky, Pierre.
True.
With Carey Price. And that goal we talked about it. You mentioned at the end of the second period back in game 2, the diving play by Blake Coleman. And for Carey Price, I mean, Barclay Goodrow made the pass. I think you got to anticipate that he's going to make that pass because the puck was on his backhand. It was in front of him. I thought it was, look at it, was a great goal. Don't get me wrong, but I don't think that the goaltender played that very well. And that ends up changing the whole entirety of that game. And quite frankly, maybe the history of how this final ends up. You need a stop. And for the most part so far in this 3 games in the Stanley Cup final, Andrei Vasilevsky has outplayed Carey Price without question.
Vasilevsky has allowed only 5. Price has allowed 5 tonight. Down to the final minute of game 3. Tyler Johnson, who has scored twice, back out to David Savard. And now Pat Maroon.
I see the 2 can charge up some seats at the Bell Center, but it's still only about 3,500. They're trying to get up to 10,000, but I deny that.
In game 2. 2 goals early in the first period tonight, and they never look back. Canadians have never had a lead in any game of this series. They are 15 seconds away from falling behind 3 games to none. Time winding down here in Montreal. Lightning over the Canadians, 6-3. Tyler Johnson and the Lightning now 1 win away from their 2nd consecutive Stanley Cup title.
Last team to win 2 straight, Pittsburgh Penguins, 2016 and 17. Before that was the Red Wings, 97-98. The team that did that before them, the Penguins, 91-92, with Yager, Lemieux, Brasco.
timeout for
I'm playing some Nickelback in the speakers.
3 stars.
Oh, there's a whole
All right.
boatload for the
3
Tampa
stars.
Bay Lightning, 1 win away
Tyler
from
Johnson,
going
Victor
back-to-back.
Hedman, Andre Vasilevsky.
4 shots, had 2 goals. Victor Hedman, just brilliant. Goal and assist on the first couple of goals of the game. And then Andre Vasilevsky. When Montreal pushed the last 10-12 minutes in that first period, when it looked like they had the Lightning on the run, Vasilevsky made a couple of brilliant saves. And again, he is out goaltended Carey Price at this point.
Tampa Bay
Sorry,
Lightning
fans.
win it.
We ain't gotta go home, man. You just gotta go home. Disappointed. Brittany would be saying, better luck next time, boys. Lightning taking this one.
Game 4 of the Stanley Cup Final, Monday night, 8 Eastern, right back here on NBC.